All right, Facebook family, today I wanted to introduce you guys to Paco. Paco, say hi. Say hi, buddy. He looks so sad, but he's actually sleepy. I've been holding him in my arms and he's just snuggled right into my body. Paco is our Fox13 pet of the day. He just made his debut on Fox13, and we are trying to see if we can find Paco a family to live happily ever after before the holidays. Paco is a 3-year-old Chihuahua mix. He is about 13 pounds, and he's just got the cutest little face. Kind of reminds me of a little tiny Doberman Pinscher almost. But, oh, there you go, buddy. There you go. But anyways, we are here at the Utah Humane Society, so right now just getting ready to return Paco back to his kennel in hopes that someone will come in and adopt him, preferably, hopefully, before Christmas. So if you're looking to adopt and add a new family member and you're thinking about possibly adopting a Chihuahua, definitely consider Paco. Also, what's really cool is, you know, I've had a lot of fun meeting all these pets. If you have any interest, the Humane Society is always looking for volunteers to help these animals, whether it's to go on walks or take them down to Fox13 or all sorts of different things. Definitely, if you're looking to get some volunteer time in, consider these little guys over here. They are so freaking adorable to come work with them. And again, this is Paco the Chihuahua mix. Actually, I'm going to turn the camera around. This will be cool. Let's go through and kind of get an idea of the kennels here. So we've got different size dogs depending, or different rooms for different size dogs. So here we've got a little bit bigger dogs, and this is called Midtown. So these are mid-sized dogs. And then we got Uptown, which are bigger dogs over here. And in Uptown, we've got Marty, who I have shown numerous times, trying to get Marty adopted. He is so cute. Let's see, we've got also other bigger dogs. And then, of course, there's Midtown. Hey, Marty. Hey, Marty. And let's see, who else do we have? Oh, look at that. Cute. They're all taking naps or they just got done eating. And this is where Paco is. He's in Midtown. So let me, Paco goes in here. This is his kennel. And we've got Tiny Town. And this is where the puppies are. Let's see. Oh, look at that little guy. How cute is that little guy? And we've also got that little guy. Super cute. So, on that note, again, let me back around and we've got Paco here, who is looking for a new home, hopefully before Christmas. So if you're thinking about adopting a Chihuahua or just a new family member, consider this guy right here. He is so cute and loves to snuggle, and yeah, pass the word on. Thanks for watching.